channel. If you're new here, my name is Maisha, and today's video is all about these braids, y'all. And I like it. It is officially braid season, okay? And I told myself this year I was not gonna do any boho braids. So y'all not gonna see any boho braids for me this summer. I went on Pinterest, because y'all know when I want a good hairstyle, I go on Pinterest, and I found the perfect hairstyle. And I'm going on vacation, so I was like, I need a cute summer / vacation braid style. And I came across these French braids. I'm going to show y'all the picture. So this is the Inspo. These are the French curl braids. French curl braids. It's a lot of hair, and it seems it's not heavy at all, because I did do them small, as y'all can see. I did them small. I haven't did braids this small in so long. The fact that I have learned how to do my own hair blesses me so much, okay? That's why I love showing y'all like what I did, how I did it, so that y'all could try to do it yourself. If you are not a good braider, if you just don't have the patience, girl, I understand. Just take this as an inspo to get your hair done in a different way. And I know the bohos have us in a chokehold, but it's okay to step away from boho for a minute. It's okay. Y'all know I'm gonna walk y'all through what I did, what I used, all the things. Hey y'all, so it is day 1 of me doing my hair, okay? Day 1, and today all I'm doing is a prep. I did go ahead and wash my hair. I did wash and condition my hair with this Shea Moisture anti-dandruff shampoo. So this is the apple cider vinegar anti-dandruff shampoo and conditioner. This is what I used on my hair today. And I usually use these because when I have braids, like my hair tends to get dry anyway. I have very dry scalp, and I have dandruffs like all the time. So I try to use this when I know I'm going to be doing a protective style. So for braid prep, this is what I like to use. Now that that's done, my hair is washed, clean. My scalp feels so good. My hair feels so soft. I am going to blow dry my hair straight. And this is what I'm going to be using to blow dry my hair. It's the Dark and Lovely Blowout Silky Slip Blow Dry Cream. I use this all the time when I blow dry my hair. This is the only thing I use when I blow dry my hair. It does have a heat protectant in it. You can see right here. So this is just a good product to have. It's a cream, so you can control how much you put in your hair, and that's what I like. Like sometimes when you spray it, I feel like it only gets in one spot. Sometimes when you spray it, I like a cream a little better. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off, and we're gonna blow dry it straight, because this is how I prep my hair for braids. What I have done so far is I section my hair off into 4 sections, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. I don't know how straight my parts are going to be for this, but we are not concerned about the parts for this hairstyle because the braids are going to be small. So I section it off in 4 sections. I am going to take my time, because my braids are going to be small, I'm going to take my time and do this day by day. So day 1, prep, all the things have gotten done. I think also what I'm going to do today as just another step further for me prepping my hair is I'm gonna go ahead and section, like part my hair. I'm gonna pre-part my hair. I'm just trying to help myself go through this a little faster. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and section probably both of these back sections off into the smaller braids, or smaller parts, and then I'll work on these two and show y'all what I do. So I have done the back of my hair. I just pre-parted it. So y'all can see how small I'm actually gonna be doing these braids. I do wanna show y'all what I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using this. I got this from my local beauty supply store. Comb. This is the hair that I ordered. I ordered this hair off Amazon. It's a really pretty color. It's the 30, 33, and 613. Now, I have never had these colors. Definitely not in a set, but I don't know how this is gonna look on me, because this 613 is like a blonde. It's that white blonde that I don't like. But we're gonna trust the process with this. So this is how the hair looks. It's really pretty. I don't know, y'all. Can I even pull this type of color off? I don't know. We're about to see. But I'm gonna go ahead and place everything on my little board. I do have my braiding board, or whatever this is called. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I will pick back up tomorrow when I start braiding my hair. Oh, day two is day two, and I've done majority of my hair. We are halfway done. Okay, so let me show y'all. This is what it's looking like so far. So y'all can see the parting. Y'all can see how small the braids are. They are small. And then this is how it looks at the end. I really like this. I've used 3 packs in the back. So this is like 3 packs total. And I'm thinking I'm gonna use 3 packs in the front. So then I'll have 60. I'll have 2 packs left over because it did come with 8 packs. Again, this is a 30, a 33, and a 613 color mix. And this hair is not the easiest hair to braid because it is a silky synthetic type of hair. It is gonna tangle. It does tangle. You just have to take your time. You have to take your time, and as you braid, you have to untangle the hair. It's a lot. But what I did was I just put some of this, after I finished braiding, I put some of this on the hair to make it like not so tangled, or you know, so it's not like frizzy and it's not like tangling up together. So that's what I did right here. I did have to knot it right here. If you guys can see right here, I had to knot it because again, it is a silky synthetic hair, so it will unravel if you do not knot it. So you definitely have to do that. But I like this style. I mean, if you're not a braider, I'm not a braider, okay? I just braid my own hair. But if you have your own, like if you wanna take the challenge and do this yourself, by all means do that. But if you do have a braider, then this is a cute style. I'm liking this so far. These are long, they're not heavy, they're really light because I did them small. Let's go ahead and get this front section done. I'm gonna do this section first, and then we're gonna do this section. I wanna be done by midnight tonight. I don't know. I did set a timer for me to take a break at 8 o'clock so I can eat, but I wanna be done by midnight. So let's see if I can get this done. If not, it's gonna take me 3 days.
I did go ahead and pre-part my hair before I got started feeding in the braid hair. I just noticed that this helped me out so much when it came to managing my time. So I would definitely suggest that you do that. So I'm just parting it into little sections and then braiding my natural hair. And then I'm going to go back and feed in the braid hair. So right here you see that I am feeding in the braid hair, and I'm taking like one color at a time. That way it mixes in like I mixed it, but I really didn't mix it. Also, I want to point out that I didn't mix any colors. Like it wasn't any certain colors that I mixed together. I just picked up a color, and whatever it was, whether it was like a blonde or brown, I just grabbed it. So some braids have blonde in them, some braids don't. Some braids have brown in them, some don't. And yeah. Okay, so I did tell you guys that you have to knot this hair. So what I'm doing is I pull a little section off and I knot it like 3 or 4 times. And then I take a smaller little piece of that same section and I knot it like 2 times.
Do y'all see? Lately, I've been saying I am gonna start doing a little more. So this is me stepping outside of my comfort zone. I'm in love. I love this color so much. Yeah. Y'all see?